Good morning, people! It's Sunday morning. We're going to the church. Kasama ang, na kung sino ang aking mga kasama always. Always with my two little girls, Crystal and Chantal is here. So, I think, kailangan ko nang bumili ng car seat na hindi yung baby car seat. Actually, ito naman siya ay up to 13 kilo. And si Crystal, Chantal pala. And si Chantal is only 8 kilo sa ngayon. But minsan na siya, kanang mubangon na siya ba. So I think mas safe yung yung nakaupo na. Gusto niya kasi na parang nakaupo siya. Yun yung ayaw na niya nung nakahiga. So maybe very soon change na natin tong niya, car seat para mas safe. So nice the buildings, right?
I thought you like nature.
Good morning, Chantal. Chantal, hello. Good morning.
We just woke up from our sleep.
We are here.
Yeah.
So, we are here na sa parking lot ng aming church. And actually, si Chantal kakagising lang. Natulog yan during biyahe. And it's around 35 minutes driving. So, tama lang yung pagdating namin. And dito na kami sa labas nakapag-park. Kasi yung target ko sana na makapark doon sa loob para later on hindi sana siya mainit after church. And since medyo konting late, but it's okay, malapit lang din naman. So yeah. What's in your bag? You have your Bible and Chantal socks. Right?
And my
Chantal's
ball is
here.
in her car. Just the stairs not going down. It's not even going up.
Let's cover Chantal kasi it's quite glaring.
Okay.
Ba? Wear socks. Kasi it's cold. You will get cold. So let's gonna wear your saki.
The beautiful Saki.
Beautiful socks. Wow. Beautiful socks, Chantal. Another one.
She's relaxing.
Okay, let's go. Wait, Crystal, why you're wearing that slipper? Huh?
Why? What's wrong?
You're supposed to wear the shoes. I didn't notice you're wearing that. Let's send Crystal in level 2 first kasi she will be joining the kids class.
Mama, not everyone will join. I don't even know if I want to join.
For which one? Dancing?
Yeah.
You join. Why you don't want?
But they say it's today. They said it's already today. And I don't even know what to do.
They will. I think they will teach.
It's like only one day teacher didn't
sunscreen liquid. Get the water from now and pour over the lane. Pour over the lane. And then immediately turn it to blood. So these are the 3 signs that God has given to Moses. He is the King of Kings. He is the healer. But he is the one that
Who's that, Chantal?
believe, the one that executes judgment. That was Moses to convince him to go. Because Moses is still not convinced. And Moses, this is what Moses says, my time is short, I can't speak. One step at a time, he is actually preparing you. Why did I say that? Verse 25. That night the Lord said to Gideon, take the second bull from your father's herd, the one that is 7 years old. Pull down your father's altar, cut down the Asherah pole standing beside it. Then build an altar to the Lord your God here on this hilltop sanctuary. Lay the stones carefully. Sacrifice the bull as burnt offering on the altar. You
Where's the drive-thru?
Just do
Order here.
just the Happy Meal. Mama, is there drinks in Happy Meal?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Mag-order kami ng wait lang.
Go, 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 go.
We're next.
Yes.
Hi, Samarata.
So, Happy Meal,
Yeah, Happy Meal Nava.
cheeseburger.
2 Happy Meal cheeseburger.
Yeah, and then change to corn.
Change to corn.
Yeah. How about the drinks? Is it Coke?
The side will come in ice lemon.
Ice lemon tea. Is it okay, ice lemon tea na, or you want to change to Milo?
I like ice lemon tea. It's alright.
Okay, it's okay.
Drinks okay, yeah?
Yes.
The sides both also corn, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
That's all.
Okay, Managino, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hinihintay pa namin yung aming order. Kasi prepare pa nila. Hindi na kami bumaba. Nag-drive-thru lang kami. Para init kasi. Ngayon is
I want to play
12:30.
toy right now.
Okay. Hi, Chantal! Say hello, people!
The wheels on the bus goes.
Goes what?
Goes nothing.
Thank you. Okay. Let's eat. Where's my nap? This or this one?
This one.
Actually, wala kaming balak na kumain
Actually, it's a cheeseburger.
ng McDonald's for lunch.
It's a cheeseburger, but the doctor said double cheeseburger.
Okay. But then, since ito lang yung pinakamalapit na pwedeng kainan ng, why they didn't give the spoon how we eat? Kainan ng, tawag nito, lunch, kasi babalik pa kami sa church mga 1:15 kasi merong sila crystal dance audition.
Because they put both of them in mine.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, naisipan na lang namin na kumain dito sa sa sasakyan instead na mag-dine in sa loob kasi sobrang init. Kasi itong place na to is sobrang lapit lang sa dagat. Yan, yung makikita nyo, yan is, na yan siya, dagat. So, doble yung init pag nasa seaside. So, we eat first. Hi! Buti na lang, mommy, bring your food also. Mommy will give you later, okay? Okay. Oh, very good. Tingnan nyo si Chantal. Oh, so cute. So cute. Meron sila crystal audition, dance audition. Sa crystal. Chantal want to join the dance audition.
Thank you for watching.